dot model small, everybody knows that what it is. We are going to allocate you are one code segment and one data segment. Okay, so this is dot stack. You can do this thing by using macro also. Okay, so we are going to use there are two sort of procedures you are going to see. Okay, far as well as near. Okay, so near में क्या करते हैं, we are going to call within the program. Far में we are going to call from the different from another module. Okay, so it is going to be you if you want to use macro variable in this one, so you can call this kind of display message over. If you are written one menu driven, first of all menu, the next one is bcd to hex, hex to bcd and exit. Okay, so user will going to select from these three options. One is bcd to hex. Okay, so it is kind of menu. So you can do that menu by using macro function. Everybody knows what is macro and all. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अगर stack के बाद if you write it down macro variable, then you will in the next thing you are going to do that kind of by using macro. ठीक है, so then dot data. I am going to take two variables over here. ठीक है, so num is num db00h. Okay, so these are two variables I am just taking for the temporary storage. ठीक है, जो कुछ मेरा whatever I am going to temporary storage, then I am going to take into one final variable is nothing but your result. ठीक है, तो ये जो कुछ भी है sum is nothing but defined word and this is nothing but defined byte. This is the size of your whatever variable you are taking. So result is the kind of 5. You can going to have 5 bytes for that, as well as dup is nothing but duplicate. Okay, if I have written a dollar sign over here, then you can replace all the 5 things by mean of your dollar sign. If I have mentioned here 0, then it will going to replace it by 0. Okay, sorry, means five all kind of, suppose 5 different locations are there, then all locations will going to grab with fill up with 000 like that. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मीन्स वहाँ पे गार्बेज वैल्यू रहती है स्टार्टिंग में. ठीक है, बाद में उससे 0 से रिप्लेस करेंगे. उसके बाद मैसेज, दीज आर नथिंग बट यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिंट मैसेजेस. Okay, so on the output screen, enter BCD number. The converted BCD hex number is an error message. If that number is not belonging from the particular whatever user have entered. Okay. So next, this is nothing but starting of your code segment. Okay. So this is initialization of your data segment register. Okay. Everybody knows that. Okay. Next. These are the two procedures I am going to call here. Okay, call ASCII to BCD, call BCD to hex. I am going to write it down next week. What are the procedures for that? Okay. This is move AH40. This is nothing but termination of the program. So next ASCII to BCD procedure near. Right? So this is going to be, I am going to write it down ASCII to BCD. Whenever you are going to do the conversion from BCD to hex, you need to convert ASCII to BCD first, then your BCD to hex. So first of all, I need to write it down procedure for ASCII to BCD. Then next, print the message. So this message will going on the output screen 099. So this is the address, load effective address. So this offset will going to store in your DF. Okay. Up to this now, is there any doubt? So first of all, what I am going to do is nothing but accept a single digit. What we are going to do, whenever you are reading the any character, you are going to read it from the single symbol. If suppose I entered 255, then first of all I read 2, then 5, then 5. Okay? I need to increment it by, multiply it by 10, then you will going to shift it to the next one. Okay? So I have taken this one single whatever character is, or single number you can say. Okay. Compare here with 0DH. Okay. If suppose user haven't entered anything, what you need to compare it with enter key. Okay. So enter key का जो कुछ भी है, so it is nothing but your 0D. Okay. 0D is nothing but 13. Is nothing but comparing with enter key. Okay. So comparing AL with enter key, jump equal quit. If suppose user have entered nothing entered and entered enter key, ठीक है, तो उसके बाद क्या करेगा, क्विट हो जाएगा प्रोग्राम. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट कंपेयर एल विथ 38. It will going to compare with whether the number is from belonging from 30 to 39. ठीक है, तो what you need to check is whether the number is from 30 के ऊपर है क्या नंबर. तो क्या होगा, अगर मैं 2 प्रेस कर रहा हूँ तो वो नंबर क्या रहेगा 32. ठीक है, तो उससे बराबर है, इट्स वैलिड नंबर. इफ सपोज आई एंटर्ड ए, then what it is? It is 41. So it is not belonging from the. Okay. So this is. So jump below error. If it is below this 30, then it will going to print error. There is one more thing you will have to write it down over here. Okay. Compare AL with 39. ठीक है, क्योंकि तुम्हें ये भी देखना पड़ेगा ऐसे. You need to check whether the number is from. What it is? Compare AL comma 39H. Okay. Jump above error. Okay. If the number is above more than 39, you can say. Okay. Then you will going to jump to the error. If suppose I entered A, then it will. Okay. What I am going to do over here is nothing but masking. Okay. When you want to take the actual number, if suppose 32 है पहले मेरा, तो उसको क्या करना है, 3 को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, 2 को चाहिए. तो यहाँ मैंने 3 को रिमूव किया और एक्चुअल नंबर ले लिया. तो यहाँ क्या मिल जाएगा मेरा एक्चुअल नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट मूव num comma AL. Okay. So whatever the variable I am going to have, I am going to store in my variable num. These are nothing but temporary storage. Move sum comma AX. ठीक है, तो AX को मैं क्लियर करके ले रहा हूँ. क्या कर रहा हूँ, सम में 0 0 है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लियर योर AX विथ 0 0 इनिशियली. बट बाद में जो रहेगा तो इट विल गोइंग टू फिल दैट पर्टिकुलर सम इन योर AX लिस्ट. ठीक है, तो मूव BX comma 0 है. व्हेन यू वांट टू शिफ्ट इट फ्रॉम द वन पर्टिकुलर व्हाट आई कैन से सिंगल डिजिट नंबर to the next number, what you need to do, multiply it by 10. Then you are going to shift it to the next. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया मैंने, BX comma 0A. तो it will going to multiply 10. मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ. पहले क्या किया मैंने, मूव BX comma 0. I have taken 10 into BX. उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय BX. तो इससे क्या होगा, AX और BX मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा और जो कुछ वैल्यू है वो तुम्हारे AX में स्टोर होगी. यहाँ तक समझ में आया. यहाँ यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल आई हैव जस्ट शोन. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस वन, देन यू विल गेट एन आइडिया. तो यहाँ तक हम